everyone, welcome to the Sunderland Empire. I'm Steph, the Creative Learning Officer here, and I am thrilled to welcome you to this digital workshop for the Sunderland Music Hub's Big Festive Sing. In this workshop, we're going to learn how to sing Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. Now this is an absolute classic and I'm sure you'll know it well. He had a very shiny nose, you know. Laura and Ashley, take it away and teach us all how to sing Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer.
Thanks Steph and welcome to this year's Festive Digital Workshops. I'm Ashley and this is Laura. Hello.
Hello.
And we're going to teach you the songs. But first we need to do some warming up and I've got a good one, it's fun this one. We're going to be lots of different festive, Christmassy, fun things. So the first one, you could be a snowball. What does a snowball look like? It's round, isn't it? Small, little scrunched up ball. So like scrunch up our face, bring your fists in like this, small face. That's it. You could go like this, round. You could even go onto the floor like a big snowball, rolled up. That's it. Other one, we're going to do a big bright star. Stretch out your hands, stretch out your legs in a big wide mouth like this. That's it. Our big bright star. So let's go into the snowball again, scrunch it up. That's it. And a big star. I can go wider than that, Laura. Got it. Okay, this time everybody likes a nice straight Christmas tree. So get that posture nice, shoulders back. That's it. Nice. What about some tinsel? Let's have some nice relaxed tinsel. That's it, with your arms, that's it. Back to the Christmas tree. Fix your posture, nice and tall. Snowball. Scrunch your face. Star. Christmas tree. Tinsel. I feel like I'm surfing as well. Nice and relax. And you guys can think of some nice warm-ups too that are Christmas related and add them to our list of warm-ups. Shall we get started with the first song?
Let's
do it.
Have a look at the Big Festive Sing Makaton workshop videos to learn some of the signs for these songs. You can find the link to this video in the top right hand corner and in the description below. You know Dasher and Dancer and Prancer and Vixen, Comet and Cupid and Donner and Blitzen. But do you recall the most famous reindeer of all? Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer had a very shiny nose, and if you ever saw it, you would even say it glows. All of the other reindeer used to laugh and call him names. They never let poor Rudolph join in any reindeer games. Then one foggy Christmas Eve, Santa came to say, Rudolph, with your nose so bright, won't you guide my sleigh tonight? Then all the reindeer loved him, and they shouted out with glee, Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer, you'll go down in history. Who are the other reindeer?
They're Dasher and Dancer and Prancer and Vixen, Comet and Cupid and Donner and Blitzen. They're the reindeers.
Let's learn them.
Okay, so let's do the first four first, okay? They're Dasher and Dancer and Prancer and Vixen.
They are Dasher and Dancer and Prancer and Vixen.
Comet and Cupid and Donner and Blitzen.
Comet and Cupid and Donner and Blitzen.
But do you recall?
But do you recall
The most famous reindeer of all?
the most famous reindeer of all?
Should we put some of that together?
Okay.
You know Dasher and Dancer and Prancer and Vixen, Comet and Cupid and Donner and Blitzen. But do you recall the most famous reindeer of all?
Ready?
Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer had a very shiny nose, and if you ever saw it, you would even say it glows. All of the other reindeer used to laugh and call him names. They never let poor Rudolph join in any reindeer games. Then one foggy Christmas Eve, Santa came to say, Rudolph, with your nose so bright, won't you guide my sleigh tonight? Then all the reindeer loved him as they shouted out with glee, Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer, you'll go down in history. Lovely.
Thanks to Laura and Ashley for that brilliant workshop. Alongside this video, there is a Big Festive Sing toolkit to help you join in at school or at home. In the toolkit, you'll find links to all of our videos, you'll find the backing track, you'll find lyrics to all of the songs and sheet music so you can all join in and feel super festive. The toolkit can be found on our website. The event itself will be streamed on YouTube on Wednesday the 15th of December at 2 p.m. So grab some tinsel, throw on a Christmas jumper and sing along with the Big Sing band. We can't wait to see you there.